So today we are challenging Chinese restaurants. Chicken Chow Mein, better than your favourite Chinese restaurant. Boiled the spaghetti by following the packet instructions. Add some salt in it. Check in every once in a while and avoid breaking the spaghetti. Take chicken. Chicken thighs or chicken breast, doesn't matter. Just cut them up. A teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of allspice powder, and some salt to taste. Mix them all up and leave for marination. Heat a pan or wok and add some olive oil to it. Take a couple of chopped garlic cloves in it, along with the marinated chicken, and let it cook for some time. Our sauce is going to be a combination of 2 teaspoons green chili sauce. Check out our channel to catch up for this sauce. 2 teaspoons of peri-peri sauce, 3 teaspoons of ketchup, and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Adjust the season as per your taste, but at the end it needs to be a bit tangy and sweet. Okay, so we'll get back to the chicken and add some veggies. We'll add the boiled spaghetti in it too, and once everything is mixed well, add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. And that's it, folks. If you followed these simple steps, you just beat a Chinese restaurant, and your chicken chow mein is ready. Subscribe and see you in the next video.